Today is the 13th of the 1st, 2020. It's a Monday morning. Welcome to Dex Fx Markets.com, and we'll get straight on to looking at the results. Hopefully it shouldn't take too long to load up because really, but there is a lot of information on here, so it's no real surprise that it does take a long time. Well, certainly a bit more than 5 seconds, it says up here. Okay, here we go. Daily signals total, best assets of all dailies. Okay, let's start with the week, then the month for our asset statistics. We won't look at today because the day's just started. As I said, it is only 6:43 here in the UK. Okay, looking good. These are the signals that I've taken for the week. AUJPY 100%. Actually, best probably look at the ones that didn't do 100%. Be quicker. Euro Great British Pound 93 for the week. 93% that is. That's per 100 obviously. And the Great British Pound USD did 93 for the week. The week of course is 7 days. And let's look at the month. The month, it goes back 30 days. So as I've explained before, it's not a month as in January, February, March, April, etc. It's actually the 30 days. So looking here, the AUDJPY did good. AUDUSD did excellent. These all did well. Anything above, I don't know, about 85 to 90%, I would class as superb. Okay, those are our daily signals. So the lifetime was the Euro JPY. For the year, the Euro JPY did 98.7%. Okay, moving on. Let's do the 1 hour. 1 hour best assets. Euro Great British Pound 100% for the week, and the Euro Great British Pound 100% for the month. Excellent. Okay, spin down the weeks. You can see here, this is again percentage, that's per 100 trades, and all done pretty well. USD CHF, I think it's slowly coming back to its former glory, so that's good. That's for the week and the month. Euro Great British Pound, obviously. Great British Pound USD 77.6. So again, not really surprised. However, for the year, 84.7. I mean, that's not too shabby, really, in all honesty. Okay, moving on to the 2 hour. And again, AUD USD. Sorry, that's for today. For the week is AUD JPY at 100%, and for the month, the AUD JPY. Coming down to it pretty. The worst signals, if we like, for the 2 hour AUD USD. Okay, and well, for the week, it's not very clever, but most of them are pretty good. For the month, coming down. Yeah. USD CAD 84.6. Not good, but it hasn't had a particularly good year so far, so I'm sure it'll pick up with a bit of tweaking. 5 minutes, I really can't see. I don't trade the 5 minutes as a rule, mainly because I don't have time to sit around watching it. Okay, for the week, so look, the lowest for last week was USD JPY, and that's 92.2%. I mean, it's nothing really. And again, lowest for the month is the USD CAD. Okay, all in all, it was a good week. It's been a very good week. Okay, back to the home page. Let's have a quick look at some of the signals here whilst we're here. Okay, they're looking good. Again, this is the DPTR data processing center, which is exactly the same as we saw on the results page there. Looking at the charts. I'll look at this as a chart in perfection, as always. For those of you that can't read our charts, when you take our training, we run through everything in stages, simple and easy, little bites, snippets, and the first thing you'll want to do, obviously, would be to check the news, see what news is going to affect any trades today. When we look at this, a lot happening on the Great British Pound, a lot of 3 bulls at the 30 mark, coming down, so put 30, heck of a lot of news, so there certainly wouldn't be any trading, or many people trading, I shouldn't have thought, but otherwise, quite a gap in news-wise, so a pretty good day for trading, I would say. Looking at our charts, which is the next thing you would obviously do. It's the TNT charts, which is a trend to negate and then trade. The arrows, bearing in mind, are just a simple tool. These are telling you which way we're expecting the trade to go. I won't mention too much because it's all in the training. And of course, our support and resistance lines and our MA50, which is superb. The whole setup, when you take that into consideration with the DPC, the news, and of course your own instincts, was what will bring you success. And we will show you everything that you need to do to make a success of your trading life. Now, be that whether you're going to trade for an hour, 2 hours a day, or whether you want to sit down at your computer and trade all day continuously. And most people can't do that because most people don't really have the time for it, which is why we've broken our training down and made things so simple, taken the complicated and made it simple. Okay, coming out of here, well, these are obviously these are all the pairs that we have that we utilize. And if you notice, that's on a 15-minute chart, going to the 1 hour signals. Just quickly show you that. On the 1 hour signals, we use a 5-minute chart. The reason being is that we do need information, but we don't need a mass of information. We only need to see what is happening within a small block of time. Okay, all this is shown in our training. For those of you that are new and have not visited us before, we do have a free members portal. You just click on that. We'll give you 30 days free. We'll give you a little bit of training on the course. Trader's Mind, what to start with first, the tools, Forex, support tools. There is just so much here for you, all for free. And again, the charts, we give you 3 charts. We give you 1 of each. So we give you 5 minutes, 1 hour, and the 2 hour charts. These are the signals. And again, we give you the news. So you don't have to leave the page if you like. Absolutely awesome. Bearing in mind, we also have our contact center down at the bottom here, little orange oval with the 3 dots, 3 wise men say I like to call them, and we are here to help. Type in any question that you have there. Again, there's no such thing as a stupid question. If you've thought of a question that you think is stupid, then I'm sure other people have thought of it as well. And believe you me, any stupid question is not a stupid question. The only stupid question is the question not asked, because that's the one that you will fail on. Okay, all in all, have a great day, people, and we shall see you tomorrow.